Alright, if I change it, cover me. Yeah?
Yeah, go!
Make sure I don't run around this corner and annihilate us, yeah?
Oh, I'd run now. No one's here, run. Woo! Right, there's one behind this little...
That's it, boys.
One behind this little tower. One behind this tower.
Watch
Oh,
out, watch out! Yeah, yeah. Over it. Do it!
Oh, well, I hit my head on a tree and it really hurts now. Oh, I ate proper roll as well. It's like bent the frame on the paint.
What more you got in that pot?
Not a lot left.
There's a couple.
Huh?
There's a couple of them in there.
No, there's not many left.
How many you got? You got full clip?
Yeah, I've got one full clip.
Oh, you don't? Oh, no, it's got three.
I'm just going to keep running in there.
Relax! Let them run out!
I'm going to make them run out of ammo.
I have.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Running.
Alright, mate.
Go.
Against the side of the building, keep fucking dead right. Yeah. Whoever gets part shot.
How far is he up?
He was looking for
Ah.
Your boy, go on.
In the corner of that shed, yeah, there.
Right on the corner, right next to our flag.
Right, go back for the flag, come on! Go back for the flag! Go for the flag!
Oh, sorry.
Covering fire! Guys, push up, make a run, one behind that tower. Just go for it. Run around the back.
Bang, 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 bang. Push up, push up. Whoa. Push up, it's clear. I've got one behind this shed here. Ooh. My bags isn't working. God's sake. My mag ain't working.
Well played, guys! Well played.
Thank you. I got right in the corner of that tower, and then my BB's magazine wouldn't stop working, so I couldn't really shoot anymore and stuff. Bit
We had
annoying.
to cover.
Yeah.
Fucking good bit of game there with you. We certainly gelled at the end of it. Devin, always a pleasure, sir. Little one,
Thank you.
if that anything might my bum look big on that, I'm suing you, alright?